Good morning, all. Camelback Trading 2724 and the PitFuturesTrading.com coming to you this Friday morning, January 31st, last day of the trading month. And usually January is a pretty good indication on how things will go for the year. Right now, we're up, nothing big. We'll see how today transpires. Pretty simple for me today. We'll give you both sides of the camps. First and foremost, the bulls. We had a price probe, trend day, price spike. They need to defend this area. This is what we're going to see this morning, a defense of this area. For the bears camp, they're going to defend yesterday's high, and more importantly, Wednesday's high, top of our 4-day balance. Okay? It's really plain and simple. The winner is going to dictate not only today, but I think next week's action. If the bulls win it, get accepted above the 4-day balance, then they're going to have a chance, whether it's today or next week, to attack the trend day from the 24th, right? 4 sets of single prints. That'll be their next goal. If the bears win and we get accepted back below yesterday's price spike, well then, next week, for sure, we're going to go test the bottom of the balance down around the 322 level. So, the battleground is set. Pretty important which side wins. Okay, destinations for the upside. Yesterday's high, 327.91. Wednesday's high, 328.63. Which right now would be a weekly high if we don't take it out. And then above that, 329.26 afternoon rally high from the 24th, and then all those single prints, which you have. For the downside, price probe, L's high, 326.67. Single prints, 326.33, getting filled at 17. Price spike, 325.89. And then until you get more market-generated information, the price void down to yesterday's low of 323.54 and then 322.66, which would be the weekly low if we don't take it out today. Yes, we're going to have the POC. I would use that if we get down to there. But the main destination would be yesterday's low. So, game plan for this morning. Well, right now we've been trading totally in the price probe, which was a large price probe. One of the largest I've seen. Over $1. 124 tick price probe. Impressive. However, we're trading at the lower end of it. The very lower end of it. So it remains to be seen if the bulls are going to hold the price probe. Now you could certainly be a buyer from this level, which is 326.89, down to the price spike, 325.89. But that's $1 worth of heat if you want to be long. You'll be higher value initially, but there will be some heat. So between the price spike and the high, it was a $2 rip. Okay? Right now we're trading right in the middle of that. Basically right in the middle, right? Right at the half back from the price spike to the top of the price probe. No surprise, I guess. So the question is, how much heat do you want to take? You go long here, you get out if you get inside L. You go long here, you get out if the singles fill. All depends on what kind of heat you want to take. But there should be buyers here this morning. If all this fails, I'm out because you know you're going down the POC. On the flip side, I would not want to sell it right here. I'd rather be a seller if we're accepted back on the A than anywhere in this area. Now, if we ought to rally straight up, have a tough time taking out the day's high, or take it out and get rejected fairly quickly back in, then you could attempt a put play because, again, you know you're out. Sellers are going to defend the top of a balance. Now, again, you're going to have some heat if you want to start selling it up here because it's just about under $1, but it's a pretty decent amount. Those are the two plays I'd look for this morning. Chart-wise, monthly, last day of the month, barring a disaster, One time framing up 3 months, very healthy with the gap. Weekly, four week balance. Again, the key is to get over the top of our 4-day balance and get above that trend line. 4-day balance. We're opening inside yesterday's range. The goal to get above Wednesday's high, which would put you right at the top of the trend line. So this is a very important area and a very important day, I believe, for the bulls. The fact that they made that kind of headway yesterday, after another large gap, and to take it all back and then to have that kind of a price spike and price probe is impressive. However, it means nothing if they can't take out the 4-day balance high and continue higher. It means nothing to me. Keep that in mind. Very important. Have a great day trading. Good luck. We'll recap the day, the week, and the month at 4 p.m.